Welcome to Video 65, where we discuss the financial traps that many homebuyers fall into every year. In a competitive market, many lenders will advertise a headline rate that looks significantly lower than the average. However, our AI analysis at findmyhomenow.com often reveals these low rates are packed with hidden junk fees. You might be paying for discount points or high origination costs without even realizing it during the excitement of the move. The true cost of your home isn't just the interest rate. It is the total amount you pay over the next 30 years. Our platform allows you to upload loan estimates and use AI to break down every single line item for transparency. We help you identify which lenders are being honest and which ones are burying costs in the fine print of the contract. By understanding the annual percentage rate, or APR, you can make a true apples-to-apples comparison between different offers. My goal is to ensure that when you get the keys to your new home, there are absolutely no expensive financial surprises. Visit the link in my bio to use our mortgage transparency tools and secure a loan that actually builds your wealth.